Purchasing a new commercial air conditioning system is one of the most expensive, long-term investments a building owner can make. To ensure a successful project, do your homework on each contractor to get the best value and results. Here are some essential criteria to look for when hiring an air conditioning contractor for your next project. Make sure your contractor has multiple divisions to meet your growing needs. Check out the company's customer support services and online reputation. Confirm license and insurance coverage to ensure you and your property are fully protected. Ensure your contractor is certified by the manufacturer of the HVAC system and working with trained technicians. Verify the contractor's warranty coverage and quality of products being used on your project. Check your contractor's safety rating and ask about their safety training program. Be sure to download our Dare to Compare checklist to help you review your bids as they come in. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We have friendly commercial air conditioning experts ready to help.